In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a course to your wish list on Coursera. This process is really straightforward and will only take a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use. Once you have your browser open, head over to the search bar at the top of the page and type in Coursera. Press Enter or click the search button to navigate to the official website. Coursera offers a wide range of courses from various disciplines, so it's a great platform for expanding your knowledge or outlining your learning goals. Once you've landed on Coursera's homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account, consider signing up. It's a quick process and will give you access to thousands of courses. For those who already have an account, click on the Log In option, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials carefully, your email and password, ensuring you type in everything correctly to avoid any login errors. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find the course you want to add to your wish list. You can either use the search bar at the top of the site or browse through the various course categories if you're looking for something specific. Remember, Coursera offers courses across various fields like data science, arts, literature, and technology. So, take your time here and find a course that truly piques your interest. Once you've found a course that you want to add to your wish list, click on the course title to open the course description page. This page offers detailed information about the course, including the instructor's details, syllabus, and course reviews, which might help you decide if it's the right fit for you. Next, you'll need to locate the Save button, which might appear as a heart icon, generally found next to the wish list or Enroll options. This is the key feature we are focusing on today, as it allows you to save courses for later consideration without committing right away. It's a great tool for keeping track of courses you might want to explore or enroll in at a later date. Click on this button or the heart icon to add the course to your wish list, effectively saving it for future reference. You can view and manage your wish list anytime from your account dashboard on Coursera. And there you have it. You've successfully added a course to your wish list on Coursera. This simple process can help you stay organized and prioritize your learning journey effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy learning!